The moment you hand over your digital life to a company, you are essentially giving them the keys to your entire existence. Think about your bank account. Think about your private messages. Every credit card and social media profile is sitting behind a single door. This brings us to a massive showdown between two giants in the password world. We have Bitwarden and LastPass. These two represent completely different philosophies on how to handle your secrets. Bitwarden is the open source darling of the tech community. This means their code is out there for everyone to see. It is not hidden behind a curtain or locked in a corporate safe. If they tried to do something sneaky, someone would find out almost immediately. That level of transparency builds a specific kind of trust that is hard to beat. On the other side, you have LastPass. They are the household name. They have the polished look and the massive marketing budget. This makes them feel safe and familiar to people who just want something that works right out of the box. But look closer at their history. LastPass has been through some very rough patches lately. They have dealt with major security breaches that left users feeling exposed and frustrated. When a company that stores your passwords gets hacked, that is a huge red flag. It changes the way you look at their slick interface. Bitwarden has avoided those massive headlines. They keep things simple and honest. Their pricing is another major factor that sets them apart. They offer a ton of value for free. You do not feel like you are being squeezed for every nickel just to keep your data synced. LastPass, however, made a lot of people angry by limiting their free version. They restricted how many devices you could use unless you paid up. That move felt like a betrayal to many long-term fans. It felt like they were holding people's data hostage for a monthly fee. Now, LastPass does have some cool extras. They offer automated dark web monitoring to see if your info is for sale. They have emergency access features for your family members. But those things usually live behind a paywall. You have to decide if that polish is worth the extra cash every single month. Bitwarden might look a little more basic at first glance. It is clean and minimal. It does not try to impress you with fancy animations or distracting colors. Some people might find it a bit plain. But once you get used to it, the experience is incredibly smooth. It syncs across your phone, your laptop, and your tablet without any drama. The community around Bitwarden is another hidden strength. Since it is open source, there are thousands of developers building tools and guides for it. You're not just relying on a corporate help desk that might take days to reply. You have a whole ecosystem of experts watching the code and finding ways to make it better. LastPass keeps everything proprietary. You have to trust their internal team to get everything right. You have to trust their word that your data is safe. After the breaches they had, that trust is much harder to give. Security is not just about features. It is about accountability and how a company reacts when things go wrong. Bitwarden invites the world to audit them. LastPass asks you to trust the brand and the marketing. For most people, the choice comes down to whether you want a flashy tool or a transparent one. If you want reliability and a company that respects your wallet, the open source route is usually the winner. It is about feeling secure when you go to sleep at night. You want to know your vault is truly locked. Bitwarden offers that peace of mind for a much lower price. It avoids the clutter. It avoids the hidden fees. It focuses on the one thing that actually matters, which is keeping your digital life under your own control.